You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love.
Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and hello, I'm Shell. So today's video, I have a PR package from BuriBuri. They were kind enough to send me over a few items to review. So I have like, 5 polishes, and then I have some extension gel. So if you guys are interested in seeing what these colors are, stay tuned, and we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start off with, the gel polishes. I already took off the wrapping, so this video won't be too long. So we're just going to unbox everything, and as I show you the colors, I'm going to go ahead and swatch them. Just gonna move that out the way. We're going to grab this one. Let's see. Okay, so this is a cat magnetic right here. This is another cat magnetic, so we're gonna leave those for last. Okay, so I'll have a discount code for you guys. It should appear up on the screen, but if I do forget, I always check down in the description box. It will also be linked down there. And if you're checking for any items, I have an Amazon storefront, so you can always go on my Amazon storefront as well to see some items that I have, if you're interested in purchasing. So we're gonna start off with CG112, and these are glass bottles, and they are 10 mLs, as you can see. So it's this pretty like light blue holographic. It has some medium and some small hexes in here. Okay, I've already label my swatch sticks. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch that. So as you can see, this color is like a jelly. So these type of colors you can kind of build up, or you can just layer them on top of a color. So that is the color, really pretty. So the next color is JN43, and it's this jelly blue. Okay, so this is one coat. I don't think I'm going to go in with another coat because this is meant to be a jelly, and I don't want to build the color up too much, but that is a very pretty blue. This would have been good for like the that pool water design that was viral on TikTok. So this is really pretty. So I'm going ahead and cure this under the light. Okay, so the next color is JN29. Okay, so this is another blue. I don't know what made me pick 2 blues because they look similar, but hopefully they're not. So let's go ahead and swatch this one. Okay, so this one definitely is a different type of blue with one coat. So this one almost like a sea glass blue to me. Really pretty, really pretty. Okay, so the next color we have is a cat magnetic gel, and it's in the number 56383, and it's this pretty silver holographic. So let me get my magnet out. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it over this black swatch stick. And look, I labeled it, and I used my clear label, and I should have did the white, but I didn't feel like changing it, so I'm gonna leave it on there. Okay, so that magnet is not doing anything. Let's see this one. Oh yeah, it's moving. I don't know how it, ooh, I'm sorry if I wasn't in camera, guys. I do apologize. But I'm trying to move it. It's not that easy to manipulate this particular color, but I do see it moving. Hopefully you guys can see it. That is pretty. This will be good for a what is it, like a galaxy type nail. Really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that in the light. Okay, so the next color is another cat magnetic gel, and this is in 56385, and this is a gold shimmer. Now I believe this particular color you can put over another color and it might change the look, so we're going to give that a try, but first I'm going to swatch it over a black. Now I can't tell the difference between this one and the last one. This one seems to have more of a thinner consistency, where the other one was kind of thick. That is a pretty gold. That's a pretty like Christmas color too. So, oh yeah. See, that one moved really good. That is gorgeous. Look at that. That is pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the light. Okay guys, so here are all of the colors that I swatched. Very pretty. As you can see, I stuck with the blues as an option. I'm always picking pink, and if you know, you know, pink is my favorite color, and blue is also my favorite color. But I realized I didn't really have any jelly blues, so I decided to pick up a couple of those. And as you can tell, these two blues are different. One is very much lighter than the other. The good thing with jellies is you can use one coat and be good if you're going for that glass look, but if you want to build the color up, you can do that as well. And then we have the two cat eyes right here, really pretty. So I have a swatch stick right here, and I want to use that gold, which is this one right here, and I want to apply this on top to see, because on the picture it looked like you can put this over any color and it would change the look. So we're gonna give that a try. Cross our fingers. And I only applied one coat of this orange. Just on that by itself, that is gorgeous. So let's see if we can manipulate the color. So pretty. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's see if this magnet works. Yeah. Okay. This color combo will be great for fall. Such a pretty color. Are y'all ready for fall yet? Are y'all over the heat? I know I am, and I'm a summer baby. I love magnetic polishes because if you don't like it, you can go over it and keep doing it till you get that desired look. But this is gorgeous. I'm so glad I picked this. Look at that. That is pretty. Can you see it? Can you see that? That is so gorgeous. It's giving you like fire as well. Such a pretty color. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the light. Okay, so while that's in the light, we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna move that out the way. And we're gonna go ahead and swatch this. And this is the Aurora Non-Stick Hand Extension Nail Gel in NSG21. That is gorgeous. It's giving like a blue greenish look to it. So I'm just gonna use my swatch stick to dig some out. I don't know how well you can see that, but that color is so pretty. It has like a little ripple in it. Not because that's how it comes, but the way I applied it in the swatch stick. But that color is freaking gorgeous. It has like I said, a green, a blue shimmer to it with some gold in it. This is really gorgeous. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a little stamping on top of this really quick. I'm gonna do a little, let's do this little butterfly design right here, just to see what it would look like. Okay, so I have this new stamper, and this is one of the stampers that you would just keep twisting and it actually expands out. Only thing with this is you can't really see up under here to see where you're placing it, so we're gonna cross our fingers and hope this come out cute. So I'm just gonna give me some stamping polish. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the BuriBuri, and this is in their black. And we're just gonna do the outline. So now I'm gonna take my stamper and I'm just gonna keep twisting it. I'm sorry, no, make sure it's all the way down. I'm gonna pick up my image. Wipe off the excess. And then we're gonna twist it out and see. Okay. I'm gonna try to line this up as best as I can. Well, that didn't work, but look, I tried. It's still cute though. I like how you can see the different shimmer up under there. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna top coat it and put it under the light, and I'm gonna go in with the super top coat. Okay guys, so this is everything from this PR package. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. Out of all of the items that I swatch, which one is your favorite? I am really loving how this cat eye right here changes the effect over any polish so far. The one that I tried anyway, I'll just say that. And I like this aurora. This is so pretty, even with the ripples in it. It looks really, really cool. I like that. So that is that. And then here's the little stamping that I did. Really cool. But you can definitely see the magnetic effect underneath. Really, really pretty. So that is everything. So guys, make sure you check down in the description below. I have everything linked, as well as my discount code. And as always guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
I was on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need.